Welcome back everyone to another Windrose Game tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphics settings for best performance on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Windrose on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to optimize your graphics, go ahead and click on Settings. From the Settings page, you will need to go into the Video tab at the top section. Once you click on it, you can choose your windowed mode, the upscaler options, as well as upscaler type and frame generation settings. Now, if you use AMD graphics card, then make sure to select FSR, and if you use NVIDIA, you can select DLSS. The upscaler type has various presets as well. I would recommend to try balanced option first, and then try moving to quality if you prefer. You can also try using the DLSS frame generation for NVIDIA and FSR for AMD, and you may also select the mode of frame generation between auto and 2 times. Now, if you scroll further down, you will also see the VSync option. Only turn this on if you notice screen tears within your game. Inside the frame rate limit, make sure the maximum value is selected, or you can also choose no frame rate limit. Now, upon scrolling further down, you will see the graphic quality preset. If you click on the auto set quality option, this will detect your hardware automatically and apply the best settings for your device. However, this may not always work as intended. So what you can do next is go into quality preset and click on the drop-down menu. Here you have up to 4 different presets, ranging from low, medium, high, and epic. If you have enough graphic resources, try clicking on the epic option and then apply your changes. Then just hit the play button and see how your settings feel. If you notice issues, or if you're not getting the best frame rate, then you can go back into video settings, scroll all the way down, and from the quality presets, you can try reducing it by 1 step and choosing the high option. Then once again apply and check your settings within your game. By following this process, you can get the optimal balance of performance and quality within your game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize your graphic settings on the Windrose PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.